Hi and welcome to this TermWeb 4 demonstration. My name is Gustav Sjogren. In today's demonstration, we'll be looking at setting or resetting your password for a TermWeb account. To set or reset your password, you need to navigate to the login page for your server. In the case your server is a multi-tenant server, you'll need to define client, username, and password. A single tenant server, meaning a dedicated server, will only have the username and password available. On this page, you need to click on the Forgot Password and then type in your username if you're on a single tenant server, or if you're on a multi-tenant server, you also need to type in the client name and the username. After that, you can click on Send, and if this is a correctly spelled username and client name, you should receive an email shortly. Do note, this does not affect SSO users, as SSO users bypass the normal login page. And you, as a new user, can receive this email to set your password even though you've not set your password earlier. I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else I need to explain.